Cês falam que é pá no clipe, tem a cara, mas quando eu me ver vai porra nenhuma. Que cês são porra nenhuma. Que cês fez porra nenhuma. Olha pra nós, cês sabem.
E aí galera, aqui quem fala é o Nobruzeiro Apelão. Então ó, mais um videozinho insano pra vocês. Já chega deixando aquele seu likezão insano quando eu contar até 3, hein, ó. 1, 2, 3, deixa o likezão aí, meu parceiro. Tamo junto, é nóis, hein.
I just wanna know how I can get to your heart. All up in the days, I'm racing in the dark. Please just stay with me, cause I can't go fall apart. Hey, you keep playing games, but I knew this from the start. And now I'm feeling stuck, I can't get you out my brain. I just want your love, and it's driving me insane. Where did I go wrong? Hope that I found out today. And I've been feeling lost, but I will be okay. Yeah, I will be okay. Want you to go away, but you make me feel better when I see you every day. I can't tell if you're lying, just be real with me today. Really starting to think that all these girls are just the same. I'm getting way too fucked up when I'm high, I still feel low. And I can never tell you why, I guess that's just the way it go. When I get some space from you, I want you even more. But I need to get over it and really let it go. And I got way too faded, I just lost myself tonight. I'm a little down right now, but I'ma be alright. Tryna focus on myself, my future looking bright. And I just wanna chill, I promise I'll be fine. I just wanna know how I can get to your heart. All up in the days, my racing in the dark. Please just stay with me, cause I can't go fall apart. Yeah, you keep playing games, but I knew this from the start. And now I'm feeling stuck, I can't get you out my brain. I just want your love, and it's driving me insane. Where did I go wrong? Hope that I found out today. And I've been feeling lost, but I will be okay. Yeah, I will be okay.
Yeah, this is genius. Straight from the country, right here with my kinfolk. Goes in my mouth, and they put 26 cents on benzos. Dirt roads, backwoods, they got weed, but I been dope. Red kid, nigga, we act good, but I'm getting money, we right home. Sipping and I'm faded, super medicated. Said she wanted to take the bowl. I said, okay, set the pilot. Yeah. So I lay down and lay in. A nigga gon' be faded in all the way to the down. Okay, more drink, hold it up, more weed, roll it up, whoa there, hold it up. Quit hogging the club, bitch, slow down, camps up.
Yeah. In that brand new ratty fucking cop car. Got the club moving like a golf cart. She gon' like me when I'm hotter like a Pop-Tart. Ay, I don't need a show, now I'm a pop star. Girl, he basic. I can see right through him, I got laces. Saka got these glasses and they Ray-Ban. They let me see the future like a Ray-Ban. Ay, you ain't want me then, then you don't need me now. I'm off the bench, I'm still in my city. Can't represent. Ay, I might start popping dirt apocalypse. I used to whip on a 50, now I buy my baby 50. One of they girls, think I might turn on like TV. Think I might turn the lights, turn it up on your don't get no pussy online. Not phone, no Henley, no Tinder. This the motherfucker who be killing shit. West Coast on the road, put this shit in motion. I been causing more problems, I been getting more sick. I just sold my first song, life has been the same since. I know my team got my back. I know they down. Might get my name on the plate. Put it in town. I did not phone, no one. This is the crown. All of this around. Think I might jump. In that brand new guy car. Got the club moving like a golf cart. She gon' like me when I'm hotter like a Pop-Tart. Ay, I don't even chop it, now I'm a pop star. Ay, fuck that man, you been with, girl, he basic. Ay, I can see right through him, I got laces. Ay, glasses and they Ray-Bans. They let me see the future like I'm Raven. Have it top at the top, I decapitate the coupe. Top rocks, I can't stop. Take my cake on the rocks, take my cake I love motel. Go out the shop, I don't need no fucking watch to know. I ain't got time for this, y'all begging for attention. So I bring out the violence. I don't do babysitting, motherfuckers are childish. I'm with the baddest bitches, sipping shit on the island. Why you always saying PM? Bitch, I am PM. Putting in work from the A.
I got nobody to go to, so when I'm alone I just write songs. Ain't looking for no type of handout, cause I got the world in my palms. I walk through the rain and I fight storms. See my path in the dark like my bright song. Taking risks wherever dice gone. Never felt I belong the way home. How you tell me you love me, what you can take from me? Tell me what you desire if you didn't make money. Steady chasing my dreams, they call it safe running. Every struggle I face, gotta keep my faith pumping. 9 to 5, it ain't for everybody. You can't get it right, but they couldn't tell me where they count my city every day. How many people first they ain't caught nobody. Plus that I feel like it's silly. The way I was moving and healthy. Shout out my brother that's Nelly, cause he hold it down, he don't feel me. My mind on my lady and money. Now when it rain, appreciate it when the sun is beaming. I don't say much when these boys niggas screaming. I treat my eye like an insecure boy. Shout out my DM, delete him. Do you looking up, gotta leave him. Stick to the bush, cause the streets have your friends saying freedom. Play till the money was freedom. Gave for the smoke to keep young. I can't lie to you, I used to smoke and drink. Get away from all the burn. Hard-headed, can't tell me nothing. It took me some time just to realize I will learn. Put all my feelings on paper to keep my mind sane and my phone on do not disturb. It broke on my flow tight, I feel like I feel like you told me be patient and wait for my turn. I got nobody to go to, so when I'm alone I just write songs. I'm looking for no type of handout, cause I got a world in my palms. I walk through the rain and I fight storms. See my path in the dark like my bright song. Taking risks wherever dice gone. Never felt I belong with a white home. How you tell me you love me, but you just take from me? Tell me what you desire if you didn't make money. Steady chasing my dreams, they call it safe money. Every struggle I face, gotta keep my faith pumping. All I need in this life is a pen and paper. I'ma drop to the rack, ain't no hesitator. Where I'm from, people feeling dangerous. I go reach for the stars, you will undertake no self-slam. I feel like I when I'm up on the stage, I got dope fans. See my Nina and shit like my ride, make a nigga wanna slow dance. I needed fizz and I broke down. Where to go when you feel all alone? What's up?
I still see your shadows in my room. I can't take back the love that I gave you. It's to the point where I love and I hate you, and I cannot change you, so I must replace you. Easier said than done. I thought you were the one, listening to my heart instead of my head. You found another one, but I'm a better one. Won't let you forget me. I still see your shadows in my room. I can't take back the love that I gave you. It's to the point where I love and I hate you, and I cannot change you, so I must replace you. Easier said than done. I thought you were the one, listening to my heart instead of my head. You found another one, but I'm the better one. Won't let you forget me.
encosta, o pivete sabe que ele tá ali. O pivete tá no outro gelo, acho que o Napo não sabe que ele tá lá. Sabe agora, cuidado com o cabo, o Napo nem comprou.
Ele é próprio do
That shit's just solitary confinement. Open-minded, but my mind's been lost and I'm really just trying to find it. Yeah, we're magnets, just trying to manage attraction. Damage and shattered to fragments. Love like a spiral, I'm just trying to catch it, but I guess I suck and I just need some practice. And I'm wishing I could rip you out my head like my hair. Yeah. If I was dead, would you even care? If I had a funeral, would you be there? Sometimes I wonder what colors you'd wear. Will you move on and tell yourself that you're strong? While you let me fade as I'm dead and I'm gone? Will you hold it down till you meet me in God? Or love someone else and leave me to be lost? I thought for life meant for life until mama got married 3 times. I never saw through the lines. Growing up, I thought that life would be fine.
I just want cash, to blow what it came. Grind for the fam, don't want no more pain. Wise and fam, put that on the chain. Peg on the map, with no more to stage. Ratchet my life, if I got always saved. Demons I fight, cause we the new slaves. Run up a check, got dreams to go chase. I need 100, that's not in my safe. Don't get it twisted, my life is not lavish. Fucked up so many times, look at the damage. Fell in love quick, then I turned to a savage. Fucking on hoes and it turned to a habit. Hitting my phone now, but jump like a rabbit. If she don't swallow, then she ain't a bad bitch. I just want ball like the Mavericks. I know one day I'll be married. I know I'm in Vegas, so fuck being patient. I just gotta grind like today is my last. Can't leave this or nameless, I wish it was painless. But I keep on moving, can't live in the past. I just want fuck some cash. Buying some Louis and Gucci and Prada. I just want give me some ass. Better than when they give a nigga now that it's a young soldier's native coming straight up out the flow. All my pockets getting bigger, love the money, not these hoes. Got the block of we some hitters, I don't care which way it goes. When I rock out, you gon' feel it, making music for the soul. I just want cash, to blow what it came. Run for the fam, don't want no more pain. Wise and fam, put that on the chain. Hang on the map, with no more to stage. Ratchet my life, if I got always saved. Help from nobody, rather do it myself. Yeah. Shorty say I got this flow by me. If I fuck you, don't tell. Rockin' that fashion from over the pill. Might just move up to LA, no hotel. I be in the stew sometimes, I don't sleep well. Any nigga fuck my bitch, you can keep it. I don't really like the beat, but I ain't backing down for no smoke, nigga. I'm a beater. I stay ready, no, I never prepare. Smoke so much, nigga, I don't breathe it. I'm so fly, nigga, like Peter. I can never fall in love with no eater. Industry wiggies and soul keepers. Hottest in my city with no features. I'm a paying no cash, ain't doing leases. All my niggas some doors with no leases. I just want 100 bands so I could put it in my safe. I just want my diamonds dancing just to flex it in your face. I appreciate my fans, but I love them niggas who hate. I can't have no leech around me, gotta bring some food to the plate. Never felt like this before, music heat, hot as cold. Never flat-footed for my bros, going ghost until I'm whipping a ghost. From Winter City, going straight to the coast. Never slipping, but a nigga can close. That's why I'm strapped on my shows. I don't need no love, now I never had it. You just like a joint, like you up in action. No gymnastics, get the packet back, but I can't do attachment, cause this love is tragic. No somatics, money never matters. Long as they get high, nothing else matters. For the club, don't care about status. Everywhere I go, they like who that is. Why I say who they be talking about. I don't like to talk, I walk it out. All means with the denim. Came from nothing with a feeling. It's got a limit, fucking ceiling. High head, all this shit got me chilling. Too much money, why stop at a million? Lock me up, too much pussy, I'm killing. I'm not the type to get even, I beat all the odds.
Muito rápido, galera, muito rápido mesmo. É uma movimentação insana. Tá puxando os caras, ó. Bem tupindo.
I was so broke, ain't no pot to pee. I want a money monopoly. I get it back, but you try to be. Adding the F cause you want my D. Hate that I ball like the MVP. She don't pray, but she on her knees. Talk cheap, what you say don't mean much to me. That gotta be easy, cause life is so hard. Smoking this cushion be messing my heart, but it ease all the pain and make me think straight. Stay in your lane, this is my boulevard. Pussy niggas sleeping, yeah, I call that shit a cat nap. Bring a bitch around me, I'ma probably have to snatch that. Put that pussy on me, I don't wanna miss a Snapchat. If we ever fighting face down, so I clap back. Let's backtrack to the old days, to my old ways with the low fade. When a nigga felt no way, had no pay, had no name. Bitches looking at a nigga like he's so lame. Still no shame, I came to rock like Dwayne. Now a nigga got some static about the shot the game. Come from a different fabric, we are not the same. At my worst, it's someone's best, so I cannot complain. It's a full flow, I need more dough. Down bad, I was so low, on my dolo. Thought I'd give it up, I was so low. At the bottom looking up like, oh no. Like how did I get here? I ain't pay attention. Like I was blind walking with no direction. Ain't on my grind too much time, I was resting. Picked up the pen like I knew I was destined. Knew I was destined, be some ingesting. I need somebody who got them some money, cause I be the one to invest in. Always had less than the next man, but I kept grinding, now I'll be up next, man. She said that she feels what I say, my music like Def Jam. If we gon' talk about the city on front, then I got the best sound. I don't wanna hear what a nigga gotta say about me, man, of the year, why they hating on me. You ain't been the same, homie, you ain't get a thing from me. Gotta feed the fam and the big homie. Work so hard, can't let a nigga